This is Huawei Digital Power's first spare parts repair factory in Europe that serves over 20 EU countries. Located near Budapest, Hungary, the factory covers an area of 1,600 square meters. The repair scope includes inverters models 50 KTL, 100 KTL, 185 KTL full series, and it is expected to cover more products in the near to distant future. The repair of old models is supported, ensuring the full life cycle after sales service of devices. All devices are repaired in Europe. The repair standards comply with Huawei's requirements to ensure the quality of repaired parts and supply continuity of spare parts. The center has obtained certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO 27001, IATF 16949, and SMETA. Huawei Digital Power Services prioritizes safety and quality for shared and sustained benefits.